Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the app. This links your Nintendo account to mobile services. Open Settings on your Switch, go to Users, and confirm your account is active. This is why your credentials matter. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone and keep the console nearby so pairing completes quickly. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app, then open it and sign in. Make sure push notifications are allowed if you want updates. This establishes the authorization. The app needs to access online features. You now pair the app with your console. Follow on-screen prompts precisely. Accept pairing on both the phone and Switch console. Once paired, the app requests permissions. Grant microphone for voice chat, storage for screenshots, and notifications for game alerts. Make sure to confirm friend list sync so your contacts appear in the app. If a game offers additional linking, such as special features, follow those steps too. This is why permissions matter. They enable voice chat and screenshot sharing. You finish by using the app's features. Start voice chat when a supported game is running, set alarms, or access game-specific services like online lobbies. Use the Friends tab to invite or message players, and open Album Sync to transfer screenshots for sharing. If something goes wrong, first restart your phone and Switch, then re-enable Bluetooth and try pairing again. If issues persist, sign out and sign back in or reinstall the app. This clears corrupted settings and usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.